Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to delete alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock widget to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here on the top, you can see the alarm icon, the word clock icon, the stopwatch icon, and the timer icon. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete alarm clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to alarm icon. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm time. And okay guys, to delete this alarm clock or alarm time, you all have to do is click the alarm time. And now you can see below the delete button. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click delete button to delete the alarm time. And okay guys, another one. Okay, click again the alarm time. And okay guys, you can see below again the delete button. Okay guys, you'll have to do is click delete button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully delete the alarm clock on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.